GOM started to develop its own software in the mid-90s. We began as a very small team with 2 or 3 people. Now, our development team has nearly 70 people working in different areas. GOM's software has 2 elements. We always offer free of charge and commercial software. We believe that this special combination is part of our success. You can do so much with the free software that it gives you a pretty good idea whether it works for you or not. This is one of the main aspects that has contributed to our success. The other aspect is the way we develop our software. We ensure that the software is easy to use, an essential aspect, and we ensure the usability of its functions. Nowadays, it's getting really hard to do that, i.e., our software engineers have to meet up with the customer on site and answer the following question: how can we transfer the customer's problems into software and solve them?